employable actually workforce in India. So that's exactly where we're trying to use AI. We brought them to our platform, bringing from colleges, using them to be employable through gig workforce, through actually various training models we're doing it. My friend Next Wave is doing this fantastic job on getting the trained workforce. We use all of that and then try to make them trainable by what industries look for,
Yeah.
what people have the capacity, and then match that through AI and get them ready for the industry. That's what we're doing at a very basic level. On the interest of time, I thought maybe
Yeah,
I'll cut
thank
it.
you very much. I think what I liked about is the masses that you're trying to solve. I think that's a great opportunity. So let me go to my Honeywell friend. So Honeywell is one of the technology company, and we always are, I think we call ourselves as future shapers, right? So for that kind of a company, it's important that we use AI. So from a sourcing, screening, or HR standpoint, if you can talk about your journey in use of
Sure.
AI in Honeywell. Thank you.
Sure. So I think for us, human touch and technology, when we speak in the same breath, is actually a paradox. But we've moved to an era where I think man meets machines and machines are learning faster than men, right? So I think as an HR practitioner for the last 20 years in IT and now in products, we've seen AI really gone through an evolution. We started with predictive analytics, we went to deep learning, machine learning, and now there's Gen AI, right? So I think, and also with COVID being the chief transformation officer and changing lives for us and really making remote works more the need of the hour. I think as an HR practitioner, we've started AI since the last 3 or 4 years. We started off with using AI for repetitive tasks. So job descriptions started being done by AI to make it more inclusive, to make it language agnostic, to be able to be interpreted by differently abled individuals. So we started that in my career. Then we went on to using AI for productivity, like Copilot, which reduces developer productivity and rather increases the efficiency by multitudes, right? Then we went on to saying that let's use AI to create an Uberization of talent, where we get resumes and job opportunities marry each other and have an in-house talent marketplace. Today, as we speak, I think as HR practitioners, we are really evaluating what are the tasks that AI should do, like automating a job description, an RFP, a contract, a marketing collateral. What are the things that men and AI should do? For example, predictive analytics. How do we interpret some analytics and take the right kind of decisions? And what are the things that AI cannot do? Be it a career conversation or an employee assistance program or counseling, which needs a lot of human touch. So I think as HR practitioners, we're trying to marry both and get the best of everything and pretty much try and coexist in this era. So I think that's where we've kind of revolutionized.
I think one thing that stayed in my head when you just spoke about is AI should also work along with human beings, it's not just AI. So let me go to my friend Venu. You've been talking about metaverse all across the world. We saw your recent post on IIT Madras. So is it your metaverse version of your, or you are physically here?
Yeah, metaverse is still news for many of us here. Okay, so this is not a virtual avatar. This is a real physical avatar of myself. But the thing is, so if I ask, is it clear? Am I clear? Okay, now thank you for the feedback. So the metaverse, still it is a topic to introduce to the audience. So whatever we talk about AI or ChatGPT, whatever, still they are under development, and there is a lot of evolution. For example, today's news, if you see, the TCS has developed one app where it is clubbing all the AI tools and giving you one single tool kind of thing. But my question is, ultimately, where are these tools are going into? They are leading to a different world, which is called metaverse, which is a combination of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and XR. But the thing is, now the question is, how many of us are ready to use such tools, because these tools has to be customized to the need. Now, the moment I am speaking here, still here I can see some of the examples who can develop such kind of platforms like Abhishek or Abhijit. They are actually